Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Poe from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off by drawing the beak. We'll start with two curves going down and out. And then curve them back in, meeting at a point. Now next to the beak, let's add the eyes. Let's start with two angles up and out. And then curve them back in underneath. And now inside each eye, let's draw an oval. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Now on top for the eyebrows, let's draw two lines in the center, and then angle them up and down. And that's it for the eyes. And now let's move up and let's draw the top of the head. On top in the center, let's draw a curve down and up on the left, and then another one up on top. And then from the end of this line, let's curve it out and down, stopping next to the eye. And another curve down on the left in the same way. And then on top in the center, let's draw two curves going up. Now that we're done the top part of the head, let's move down and add the mouth. Let's start on the sides of the beak and let's draw a curve out and up. Then add a small curve at the ends and a large curve underneath for the shape of the mouth. Next, we're going to hop inside the mouth and let's draw two bumps at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Now that we're done the mouth, we can move back out and finish drawing the head. On the sides, let's draw two bumps going out on the left and two out on the right side. And then a curve underneath to close off the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a V-shaped point down on the left and the same thing on the right. And then two more points underneath to close it off. Now for the shape of the body, let's draw a curve out and bring it down, meeting at the center. And let's do the same thing inside for the belly patch. Now that we have the shape of the torso, let's move in and let's draw the necklace. Underneath the head, let's draw a V-shaped point down, like this. And then let's add a small square underneath. Now for the necklace, we're going to draw the shape of a cloud. Let's start with a curve up in the center, and then a curve on both sides. And then close it off with a line across. Next, we're going to move underneath the cloud and draw a lightning bolt. Let's start with two angles down and over, then angle it back over to the right side, and then an angled point to close it off. And that's it for the necklace. Now let's move to the sides and draw the wings. Let's start with two curves down and bring it up and out. and then curve it back in at the ends. Now underneath, let's add another curve. And then one more, bringing it all the way back in. And then inside each of the wings, let's add another curve like this. Now that we're done the wings, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 angles down and out on the left, and 2 on the right. Now from the inside line, let's draw a curve down, and then bring it back up at the bottom, and then a bump out. Now for the next toe, let's draw a wavy line outwards, and then curve it down and back up. And then for the next toe, let's start up at the leg and let's draw a wavy line down. Then at the ends, let's draw a small curve up and curve it back in. And then let's add one more toe behind, like this. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom left of the body here, let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. And then another feather underneath, and then one more smaller one. And that's it for Poe. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!